Well, just picked up the car from getting the X-Pipe put on. Sounds great. Definitely tell a little bit. Like I said before, the cats that were on it with the long tubes, I think weren't really doing too much of a difference, but they were high performance cats. But it definitely has a little bit more of a tone. But I just love this car. I think what I'm gonna do, and I'm kind of kicking it around, I was just talking to one of my buddies, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I think I might get the 94 back together, drive it around a little bit, maybe this summer, and then I think maybe I might put it up for sale. And I think what the plan is, if I get the 94 sold, I think this car is gonna get built. Pretty much the only thing left would just be a supercharger. Either a Whipple, or I think we might do some type of centrifugal, so I can get a lot of blower noise and I can keep my ported Boss manifold. So a lot of options I have, but I want you guys to drop a comment down below, see what you think I should do. Pretty much this car is full bolt-on NA. Only thing left, like I said, would be a supercharger, but I have absolutely no aspirations ever to get rid of this car. So I'm thinking about, instead of having multiple cars, multiple Mustangs, I think what I'm going to do is sell the 94 eventually. I'm going to get my fun out of it. I want to build it, put it back together, do all that kind of stuff, film some content with it, but I think ultimately it's going to get sent down the road. Well, the Mustang is back in the garage. It's only gone for like a day. I just didn't have time to do it myself. So got that done. Like I said, you can see the 94 still on the stock 2014 wheels. I have decided that I'm going to hold off on getting these redone. I think I'm just going to clean them up really good, and then get this car done. You can see here we have the lower intake manifold all ready to go, all plumbed up. Actually got a call this week, picked up the upper intake from the plating company. Obviously this is not the one I'm talking about. This is the one I just picked up from Facebook that I mentioned in the last video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this now. The other one came, it's all done. We're getting it sent. My parents are taking it over to my dad's buddy. We're getting it powder coated, so that's gonna be, just looks like this. So we're gonna get that done. Probably the next couple weeks we'll have this. The whole car should be back together. So then we can start enjoying the car. Still, like I said in the last little short I did, not sure what I want to do. I don't know if I want to build this car even more and get rid of this, but I really do like this car. It's a nice driver. So I'm not sure what I want to do. Either let's build this some more and leave this like it is, because this car is actually pretty rare. Not sure how much further I want to go with it. Probably will get a blower eventually, but I'm not sure exactly when that time will be. I'm not sure. I have options. I have options what I want to do. I do enjoy this car. I want to see what this goes on the track. So I don't know. I might keep this for a while. We might just do a full build on this. I'm not sure. This has a great platform to do it on, or eventually maybe we'll do a Coyote swap. I don't know. We'll see. Lots of possibilities. The body's in great shape. The car has good bones. I'm not sure. This car is never going anywhere, like I've stated before. I think what we're going to do though in this is I think I'm going to pull the coating off. Like I said, this coating has been on this car for about 8 years. As you can see, it still looks great. It's just want to put a fresh coating on it. It's had really old technology coating. This is one of PDP's original coatings. Great coating. It's lasted a long time. Just want to put something fresh on it. Let's do some CCI on it. See what we can do. It's just going to be a quick one-step polish. There's really not much imperfections in this paint. Just needs some love. Needs to be recoated. Like I said, it's been a long time. So, and then I think what we'll do is maybe do some little content on the dirt bike here. I know you guys have probably seen it in the background. This is my 2021 CRF 110 Honda. Great little bike. It's got a built motor. As you can tell, I can't leave anything alone. But this thing is awesome. I've had it since brand new. We'll do a video on that. Not sure if anybody likes dirt bikes or anything like that, but something different to do on the channel here. Something I never talked about yet. So we'll do a video on that, dedicated to that. Upcoming. So just want to give you guys a little bit of update on some of the things going on here. And I'll see you in the next one.